Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you a classic, one of the best Guyanese coconut pop bake ever. Guys, there are different variations to making this bake, and I promise you follow this recipe, you're on your way to a perfect pop bake every time. Alright, if you guys are new to my channel, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button, like, share, and comment. Let's jump right into this video. To my flour, I'll be adding some baking powder, nutmeg and cinnamon, sugar and salt. This is pretty basic. It is so simple, so easy. We are going to whisk everything in together. Make sure it is really well incorporated together within the flour. Then we are going to add our softened butter, and I am using salted butter. Rub that in until it resembles coarse breadcrumbs. Then I blended a coconut very fine. Then you are going to measure 1 cup and pour that mixture into the flour. Then you can add about a little bit of coconut milk if needed. Add a little bit of flour if the dough is a little bit too sticky, not too much. Continue to knead. When you pull everything together, it should look something like this right here. Then you are going to rub some butter right over the top. Then what I did is butter my pot. Of course, it's pot bake, right? Then I'm going to take my dough, place that into the pot, and I'll let this sit right here for about 20 minutes. I press that out, and this is what it looks like. Then I'm going to cover. Then we are going to place on a really low heat on the stove and let this cook for 25 minutes. Then you are going to brush some butter right over the top. Now I do not recommend you do what I just did. You're going to flip that bake right over. Okay? Then you are going to brush some butter right over the top again. Guys, look at this bake. Oh my gosh. The flavor in this was absolutely amazing. And it is done. And that is it. Now you should leave this bake to cool, but confession, honey, I was not able. I just could not wait. I'm sorry. I just had to dig in. All right, the smell of the coconuts and the herbs and the spices, this was divine. I do hope you guys really like this video. Try this recipe. Let me know how yours turned out. All right, and you can eat this with whatever you want to eat this with. Normally back home we would just add some butter and that's it. All right, so thank you guys, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye bye.